Hi, my name's Paul Iris Motorsports. This is a beautiful 110 that we've just totally restored. The customer's picking it up this afternoon. We made it into a convertible, as you can see, and everything is like new on it. What I've done is I've come up with these bespoke lift-off doors and CNC lift-off door hinges. As you can see on this one, I've got the trail doors on it already, so you can see, and it's easy to get in. You just pull that catch there, you take the door stop off on the inside, come around to this side here, and it's as simple as that. There it is. Now these door hinges are CNC'd, they're very good quality. I've made it so that you can have the door mirror on this and on the original door, so you don't have to change your mirror over, and it's just as easy to put back on. Just have to get them lined up, which can take a couple of seconds or minutes. Just move it a few times, it drops back down. The catch we've got on the back means that you don't have to change this part here. So the original door will just lift straight on onto these hinges. You don't have to change anything. Just change one for the other. And you put your door stop back on the inside, like that, and it can't go any further than that. And it will close. As simple as that, and very easy to get on and off. The original door is a little bit heavier, so it's a little bit more effort, but it goes on just as easy. Again, my name's Paul Irison at irismotorsports.com. Please look on the website and you can find more information on these. You can buy them off the website, and there's other products on there also that you'll be interested to look at. Thank you.